Hello students, I am Renu Matthew, Assistant Professor, MC Department, IISM Pune. In this lecture, let us understand what is Capability Maturity Model. CMM stands for Capability Maturity Model, developed by the Software Engineering Institute of the Carnegie Mellon University. It is a framework that describes the key elements of an effective software process. The concept of model maturity was first used to assess the maturity of a function of an information system. Later, through the framework CMM, it has been used to assess the maturity of a software development process in light of its quality, reliability, and trustworthiness. It describes an evolutionary improvement path for software organizations from an ad hoc, immature process to a mature, disciplined one. Let us first understand process maturity concepts. As we have already learned, software process is a set of activities, methods, practices, and transformations that people use to develop and maintain software and the associated products like project plans, design documents, code specifications, the code, test cases, user manuals, etc. As an organization matures, the software process becomes better defined and more consistently it is implemented throughout the organization. Software process capability describes the range of expected results that can be achieved by following a software process. The software process capability of an organization provides one means of predicting the most likely outcomes to be expected from the next software project the organization undertakes. Software process performance defines the actual results achieved by following a particular software process. Thus, software process performance focuses on the results achieved, while software process capability focuses on the results expected. The actual performance of the project may not reflect the full process capability of the organization. That is, the capability of the project is constrained by its environment. For instance, radical changes in the application or technology undertaken may place a project staff on a learning curve that causes their project's capability and performance to fall short of the organization's full process capability. Software process maturity is the extent to which a specific process is explicitly defined, managed, measured, and controlled. Maturity implies a potential for growth in capability or indicates richness of process and consistency with which it is applied in projects throughout the organization. Now let's discuss what are the CMM levels. Continuous process improvement is based on many small evolutionary steps rather than revolutionary innovations. The CMM provides a framework for organizing these evolutionary steps into 5 maturity levels that lay successive foundations for continuous process improvement. These 5 maturity levels define an ordinal scale for measuring the maturity of an organization's software process and for evaluating its software process maturity. The levels also help an organization prioritize its improvement efforts. The 5 levels are initial level, repeatable level, defined level, managed level, and optimizing level. With this, we come to the end of this lecture. Stay tuned for the next video on detailing on CMM levels. Thank you.